Rowing every day. Rowing every day can be a great way to exercise. Unlike many other cardio workouts that can be tough on your knees and ankles, rowing is gentle on your legs. It's done on a machine that won't put too much stress on these body parts. In this video, I'll explain what will happen to your body if you make rowing a daily habit. Stay tuned to the end of the video, as it's going to be quite interesting. Let's get started! Why rowing is a seriously good workout? Rowing is an excellent workout for many reasons. Unlike some other exercise machines like treadmills or stationary bikes, a rowing machine works out both upper and lower body without putting too much strain on your knees. It's a safe option and can even be used for recovery after an illness or injury. Rowing on this machine mimics the movements of rowers, which means it's great for strengthening your back, shoulders, and keeping your lower body muscles in good condition. The way you use the rowing machine can be more focused on different areas of your body. It's particularly good for men looking to build their upper body while also working their legs and buttocks. However, women can benefit from it too, as it helps strengthen the arms, back, and abs, while also keeping their legs and buttocks in good shape. What muscles do rowing work? Rowing is a great exercise because it works a lot of your muscles. When you use a rowing machine, you're actually using around 80 to 95% of the muscles in your body. This helps you stay in good shape and makes your muscles stronger. It works muscles like your back muscles, latissimus dorsi, rhomboid, and trapezius, chest muscles, pectoralis major, shoulder muscles, deltoid, arm muscles, triceps and biceps, forearm muscles, your abs, leg muscles, quadriceps, and calf muscles. This exercise is especially good for men because it targets the back, chest, and shoulders a lot. And for women, it's like working on a leg press machine, which is great for shaping the hips and calves. So, rowing is a full-body workout that's beneficial for everyone, whether you want to strengthen your upper body or tone your legs and calves. Rowing machine benefit. Rowing on a machine offers many benefits for your body. It helps make your whole body stronger, which is not always easy because it involves using your legs as well. This helps speed up your metabolism, reduce fat under your skin, and improve blood circulation and lymph flow. When you row, you burn a lot of calories, even more than when you run on a treadmill for the same amount of time. Rowing also boosts your stamina by strengthening your heart muscle and improving your cardiovascular system, making you more resilient. What's even better is that rowing is gentle on your joints, so you're less likely to get injured. That's why it's used in rehabilitation centers for people recovering from illnesses or surgeries. It's also suitable for overweight individuals who might not be able to do other forms of cardio training. The rowing machine is versatile, so you can use it for various purposes, such as losing weight, staying in shape, building muscles, or just keeping active at home. Now, let's talk about some of the downsides of using a rowing machine. Rowing machine disadvantages. Rowing machines have some downsides to consider. Unlike other cardio machines, rowing puts less stress on your legs. The exercise can get a bit repetitive because you're limited to a specific set of movements. Also, rowing combines both strength and cardio workouts, so it may not be the best choice if you're looking for a machine focused solely on aerobic exercises. Correct rowing machine technique. To use the rowing machine correctly, follow these steps. Start with your legs bent and resting against the machine's base. Keep your arms straight and grip the handle firmly. Make sure your back is straight, your body leans slightly forward, and your shoulders are turned inward. From this starting position, push with your legs while pulling the handle or rowing levers towards your body. When your legs are completely straight, pull the handle even closer to your chest, using your back, not just your hands. As you finish the movement, your body will lean slightly back. To return to the starting position, bend your knees. Rowing contraindications. Rowing machines are generally safe for cardio workouts because they provide good body support and natural movements. However, there are still some situations where you should avoid using them. This includes having high blood pressure, back problems like radiculitis, osteochondrosis, or severe scoliosis, as well as certain internal organ diseases and recent injuries. So it's essential to be cautious and check with your doctor if you have any of these conditions before using a rowing machine. Stay safe! And if you want more information, check out other videos on this channel. See you soon!